Yes, sir, man. Getting this wheel alignment. Get it right. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here. We out here the next day, man. You already know what's going on. We out here about to get the truck going. Yesterday we finished up the lift kit on the truck, man. We ordered the rough country lift kit for the truck, man. We've been having the Copart Silverado for a minute. If y'all don't know, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, we got the truck literally in Las Vegas auction probably like 3 or 4 months ago. So now we're about to go ahead and get it right. I was trying to sell it before, but I couldn't really get the money that I wanted from anybody. Everybody was lowballing, which I understand from the condition, but I'm a man with a truck. I know what a truck can bring. It can bring you money to make and do whatever else you want to do with it, you feel me? So it's like, with that being said, we gonna keep it for now and do what we do and make it the Dre style and the way we want it, man. And then from there, if somebody come along the way with a nice offer, we'll let it go. But until then, it's gonna be right by our side, man, because I know the value of it. So today we just went ahead and cleaned it, got a wheel alignment. We finished the lift kit yesterday. Shout out to my dad and my boy Ray for coming through. Subscribe to his channel, Built by Ray on YouTube. But yeah, we got the truck going. We got the wheel alignment done. It's ready to go. So I don't know if y'all know, we ordered a set of rough country rims, some 20s. We're gonna go ahead and throw those on there real soon as we get our tires in the mail. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go 35 or 33, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm happy with the truck with the lift kit, but I'm not like super blown away because I feel like the front of the truck should be higher. I feel like the back is too high, but like my dad said, the motor is in the front, so it allows it to drop even though it's a leveling kit, but I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about taking the front off and going a little bit higher. But anyway, make sure y'all go ahead and go and check out your boy. We got the giveaway going, the Silver Bullet giveaway. We got the truck right here. I'm gonna show y'all right now. We are giving away the 2015 Lifted Silverado right here with all the goodies and gadgets, man. You have the opportunity to own this joint right here. We're giving this away with the 2019 ROADGLIDE Built by Dre, man. We're gonna take off the frame, powder coat everything up, get it nice and clean. 2118 bars, feet, custom seat, everything in between you could think of, man. But you can get this truck with the bike in the back. So just know, if you enter to win, we got the beefy tires on both sides now, juiced up, looking good. Like I said, man, it's coming with the bike and the truck paired together, man. Y'all see what's going on. This can be yours, literally. All you gotta do is go in the description below, go ahead and get you a red Kicks by Dre cap. That one cap is gonna be your entry to win for that. And I just literally got the keychains like 20 minutes ago. So now we got the keychains on hand. We're about to go ahead and get them things packaged up tonight, sent out first thing in the morning. Y'all gonna see what y'all emails tonight, man. So stay tuned. You already know what's going on. We're about to have everything coming live to the channel, man. But like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all enter to win for that Silver Bullet giveaway. I'm almost sold out of hats, so get in while you can, man. Our sale will be over with after this weekend. Like I said, we slide and not hide it, man. So go ahead and tune in. We sliding. And cleaned the truck. I know it ain't the best, but I'm gonna put the Armor All on the tires. But the thing is, working on that, I had a lot of grease and fingerprints everywhere. We're gonna get this joint painted real soon. This thing had a whole complete different bed. It was matching, but it was damaged right here on the side. All this was bashed in. So my boy Ray came through and blessed me with a whole nother one. Now we gotta get us a door. At first it was only this door. Somebody sideswiped my truck parked somewhere. So now I got all this damage right here because this was never dented, and then this was never messed up. On top of that, like I said, this was a new bed. I had primer, so I know these scratches is new. But anyway, like I was saying, man, we're gonna have this thing painted up looking good, man. We're gonna have the new rims on there. We got the lift kit going. We're gonna have the new headlights with the LEDs in there. Looking good, man, but it's definitely doing it, man. This is way bigger than it used to be. I went ahead and got the new shocks, springs, and spindles on there. This wheel, when I was just driving to the place, it was super crooked to where that wheel was straight and this one was slanted. But now it's way better. I'm not driving and hearing that little screeching noise, so we making progress. But like I said, we about to put the armor all in this joint, get it cleaned up. Y'all know what time it is. It's Sunday Funday, man. We about to go hop on the water for about a few hours, so you already know, man. We about to get in the boat and get it in, man. We sliding, man. Y'all see it. Yes, sir, man. We got this thing finally armored up just to make it look a little bit better. This thing look that much better, man. I can't wait to put the real tires with the rims. I just want it at least clean. I don't care what the condition is. Nobody want to be in a dirty car. Look better though. That lift kit does make a difference. That's for sure. Like I said, we got it cleaned up, man. We about to go ahead and park this joint, put this thing up, hop in the giveaway truck, and go have some fun, man. Y'all see it though, man. Like I said, y'all better enter the win for the silver bullet right there, man. I can literally be y'all car, man. I'm telling y'all, 50 bucks away from greatness, literally. So I just finally made it to the house, man. We just go ahead and got up out of that silver bullet giveaway truck. We just made it here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I really want to go on my boat bad as hell right now, and I really could. I got the power to. I own it. I don't owe nobody. I got action at getting it right now, but I got so much going on in my life right now, and I'm really trying to get to the next level, and I'm so close. Like, y'all don't even understand. Like, I'm so close to everything happening just the way I want it to. So it's like, instead of me spending 3-4 hours on that boat enjoying it that I know I own, I'm about to go ahead and put that work into me and getting some stuff done, because I know I can do it later, but I'm trying to keep motion, keep all my stuff flowing and going right now, because next week is about to be a busy week. Monday morning, I got to hurry up and finish off that teal ROADGLIDE, get that shipped out Monday. Monday, the Texas bike is getting picked up, so that thing will be out here by Tuesday night or Wednesday. So everything is about to be flowing and going. I'm going to deliver the St. Louis bike out there in the next couple days this week, so that should be Wednesday or Thursday, I'm hoping. And then after that, I immediately gonna come back, finish the 2015. That's getting dropped off in Sacramento by me in the silver bullet truck, in my truck. So we're gonna drop that off in that thing. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and have a Texas bike right there to bust it down and get everything going and flowing, get the paint done, the powder coated parts, everything. Y'all see, we got a whole stack of parts right there, man, with the Copart Silverado rims, man. We got everything going and flowing. Like I said earlier, man, on the video, I just made it to the house, but I got the keychains. I am about to package these joints up right now, man. I am about to package them up. They were supposed to come later this week, but they came faster than I thought. And I got some packages right there. But I need some smaller ones, which I ordered. But since I'm so hyped up on getting it done, I'm about to just go buy a whole nother set. Then I'm gonna use the other ones for my other giveaway I'm about to have after the silver bullet. So it's all about to work itself out, man. But I want y'all to know we are working, sliding, not hiding, man. We're getting it in, making it happen, man. I appreciate y'all for all of y'all support. And just know we making it happen, man. Y'all see what's going on. We putting in that work. I am not out here wearing collar shirts with steel toe boots every day for no reason. I'm trying to get everything done, get where I need to be, and make it to the top, man. Because at the end of the day, ain't nobody gonna hand you nothing. You got to go out there and get it. Have your faith, have your dreams and your goals out there, because you never know how fast and how real it can be right there in your face, man. But you gotta want it and go for it. Like I said, we sliding and hiding, man. Stay tuned. We're about to go ahead and package these orders, get them shipped out. So stay tuned. Look out for your email, and make sure I enter the win for that silver bullet giveaway. You get to win the 2015 Lifted Silverado with all the goodies and gadgets. On top of that, you get the 2019 ROADGLIDE paired together, all for one person, man. Y'all get a whole combination ready to go, man. So if you entered the win, let me know in the comments what state you in right now. If you haven't yet, you better go ahead and grab you a Red Kicks by Dre cap while you can, while they're on sale for 50 bucks, because after today, it's back to 100, man. So y'all might be watching this video tomorrow and it's gonna be at 100. So I'm sorry I couldn't catch the message in time, but like I said, take advantage of the sale, man. We sliding, not hiding, man. Y'all see what's going on.